CAMON 20 Mr Doodle ni fire. Please comment, like, share and subscribe at TechBiz. Kwa checklist tunafungua TECNO CAMON 20 Mr Doodle Edition. Huyu Mr Doodle ni mjamaa creative kwa michorochoro yake, ambaye huishi kwa nyumba ya michorochoro, anavaa nguo za mchorochoro na sasa ako na simu ya michorochoro. When we look at the CAMON 20 Mr Doodle, seems like you own two phones in one. TECNO launched this magic phone and it's already in the market in many countries. This is the first magic phone in the world that during the day has back cover for white in color, but during the night it turns to be a city. The Mr Doodle Editions is for CAMON 20, CAMON 20 Premium 5G, CAMON 20 Pro and CAMON 20 Pro 5G. This phone has CAMON puzzle deconstructionist design with autostereoscopy 3D diamond cutting design, where creativity of moon face color changing meets Mr Doodle style. About the color of these phones, hakuna mjadala hapo, because tumesema during the day iko white, but during the night it has a doodle-like lightings. About the creativity of these editions, Portrait Master has already met Arts Master, Mr Doodle. It grows into special sight, masterful craftsmanship on the front, masterpiece of Mr Doodle on the back. Joy is your brush, sky your canvas, no room for regret, and creativity leaves no blank. Once you leave from the light, then Mr Doodle Edition becomes your light with a luminescence, sensitivity, back cover of fluorescence, glow after absorbing daylight. Fill every moment with a vibrant hose, be the luminous muse to paint the night sky. Camera-wise, wow! You can experience ultra-wide horizon for long shots, ultra-macro details for close-ups, all in one camera lens. Ultra-steady portraits adopting the tri-axis images stabilization systems. Are you dreaming for the Mr Doodle wonderland? Then here is the chance to make a step to get this edition, and it is a chance to step to the wonderland. On special features, no comment, but haitakuwa sawa kuend up this video without outlining some of the good specs. CAMON 20, it runs on Android 13, MediaTek, Dimensity of 8050 octa-core, network yake up to 5G, display of 6.67 inches with resolution of 1080 x 2400. Storage yake iko up to 512 GB with 16 GB RAM. Battery capacity of 5000 mAh with a super fast charger of 45 watts. Kwa box yake of course inakam na warranty card, back cover ikiwa ni clear, charger, SIM tray eject pin and earphone. These Doodle Edition phones are available to all leading brand outlets in Kenya, and you can buy them and delivered by chania.ke within Kenya. To show your love with our reviews, please like, share, comment and subscribe at TechBiz on YouTube. Facebook follow at TechBiz. Instagram tech_biz. Thread tech_biz. And on TikTok at TechBiz. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.